I'm Stephanie of Sew Sustainably, and I'm on a mission to teach people who sew how to use recycled leather and other sustainable materials in their sewing projects. If you already know how to sew, check out some of my other videos, which will take you step by step through the process of getting your home machine ready to sew leather. If you don't know how to sew, this video is a great place to start. It talks about how a stitch is formed, and that's the first step in really understanding how to sew on a home machine.